By 2025, AI could teach 1 billion students, but at what cost?
Imagine a world where every student has their own personalized AI tutor. Virtual classrooms feel like stepping into a sci-fi movie, and education is accessible to everyone, no matter where they are. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, we're breaking down the top ways AI is revolutionizing education, from personalized learning to closing the global education gap. If you're curious about the future of learning, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update.
Let's start with why this matters. Education shapes our future, but traditional classrooms often struggle to meet the needs of every student. One-size-fits-all teaching, outdated textbooks, and limited access to quality education are challenges we've faced for decades. But artificial intelligence is here to change that. In 2025, the AI in education market is expected to soar to $20 billion, and it's growing fast. Why? Because AI is making learning more personalized, interactive, and accessible than ever before. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a teacher juggling lesson plans, or a lifelong learner chasing new skills, AI is transforming how you engage with education. So let's explore the 5 biggest ways AI is reshaping the classroom of the future, starting with personalized learning.
Picture this: a classroom where every student learns at their own pace, with lessons tailored to their unique strengths and weaknesses. That's the power of AI-driven personalized learning. Platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, and Duolingo are already using AI algorithms to adapt lessons in real time. For example, if you're struggling with calculus, AI can analyze your mistakes, recommend targeted exercises, or even suggest a fun math game to make learning easier. In 2025, we're seeing tools like smart tutors, powered by advanced AI models like those from xAI, that predict what you need to learn before you even realize it. These systems track your progress, adapt to your learning style, and even adjust difficulty levels on the fly. It's like having a personal tutor who never sleeps. But here's a question for you. Do you think relying on AI for learning could make us too dependent on tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear what you think.
Now, let's step into the future with virtual classrooms. Remember when online learning meant boring Zoom calls or static videos? Not anymore. In 2025, AI is turning virtual classrooms into immersive, interactive experiences. Platforms like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams are using AI to transcribe lectures in real time, translate them into dozens of languages, or even generate 3D simulations for subjects like biology or physics. Imagine dissecting a virtual frog without the mess. Companies like Meta are pushing the boundaries with VR classrooms, where students can attend classes in a fully immersive metaverse, complete with virtual whiteboards and holographic teachers. By 2030, experts predict that half of all students could be learning in virtual or hybrid environments. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? So tell me in the comments, would you rather learn in a VR classroom or stick to the traditional way?
Next up, let's talk about how AI is becoming a teacher's best friend. Teaching is one of the toughest jobs out there. Grading assignments, planning lessons, and managing classrooms can take hours. But AI is stepping in to lighten the load. Tools like Gradescope use AI to grade papers and quizzes in minutes, catching errors that humans might miss. Platforms like TeachFX analyze teachers' lessons and suggest ways to make them more engaging, like adjusting pacing or adding interactive elements. In 2025, AI assistants are even generating custom lesson plans based on student data, helping teachers focus on what they do best, inspiring their students. For example, a teacher in California recently used an AI tool to create personalized math quizzes for 30 students in under 10 minutes. That's a game changer. But here's a big question.
Could AI ever replace teachers entirely? Or is the human touch irreplaceable? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. One of the most exciting things about AI and education is its power to close the global education gap. Right now, millions of people around the world lack access to quality education due to poverty, location, or language barriers. But AI is changing that. In 2025, initiatives like One Laptop Per Child are using AI-powered apps to deliver free courses to remote areas. Language models can translate lessons into local languages, making education accessible to non-English speakers. Even better, low-cost AI tools are running on smartphones, not just fancy laptops, so students in underserved communities can learn from anywhere. For example, a recent pilot program in rural Africa used AI to teach coding to kids using just their phones, and the results were incredible. By 2030, AI could help educate millions more people, but only if we solve challenges like internet access and affordability. What do you think is the biggest obstacle to making education accessible for all? Share your ideas in the comments.
Before we wrap up, let's talk about the challenges we need to address. AI in education is incredible, but it's not perfect. One major concern is data privacy. AI systems collect tons of student data, everything from test scores to learning habits, and that data needs to be protected. In the US, laws like FERPA are being updated to address AI in schools, but leaks or misuse could still happen. Another challenge is over-reliance on technology. If not everyone has access to devices or high-speed internet, AI could accidentally widen the education gap instead of closing it. And let's not forget the ethical question. Should we let AI make decisions about how kids learn? These are tough issues, but companies and governments are working on solutions like stricter data laws and open-source AI tools. What's your take on this? Do you trust AI with your learning data? Let me know below. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI in education are endless. By 2030, we might see AI tutors that rival human teachers, virtual reality schools that feel like the real thing, or even brain-computer interfaces that let us learn faster. But it's up to us to use AI responsibly, to create a world where everyone has access to quality education. That's it for today's video on how AI is transforming education. If you found this insightful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Info AI Pro, and hit that bell icon for more AI updates. Want more videos like this? Check out our AI plus Humanity playlist linked below. And don't forget to tell us in the comments, what's one way you think AI could improve education? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.